Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create the United States of America here on Infinity Craft. Now let's just go ahead without further ado. Choose water, and water here makes the lake. Choose lake again to create an ocean. Earth to create the island here. Earth again to create the continent, and then water, fire, it makes the steam here. Water makes a cloud. Water again, and it makes rain. Just looking for where's the cloud here? Oh, here it is. So another cloud, it makes rainbow. Put it on the continent here, and there you go, you have America. So I hope this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.